Here's how to add an HTML email template in Outlook 2026 quickly. Open Outlook and click New Email in the top left. The message window opens with the ribbon up top and a blank body. Click into the body first so the cursor is exactly where the template will land. Then click the Insert tab on the message ribbon. The ribbon changes to show the insertion options. Click Attach File in the Include group. If you keep the paperclip on the Quick Access toolbar, that opens the same file picker. I use the ribbon button because the options are clearer. Now find your saved HTML template. I'm using welcome.html on the desktop, inside a folder called Templates. If your file doesn't show up, change the file type drop-down next to the file name box to All Files. Click the file once to select it. Now this part is where people go wrong. Do not click the main Insert button. That sends the HTML file as a paperclip attachment, and the recipient sees the HTML file sitting below the subject line instead of your design. Instead, click the small down arrow on the right edge of the Insert button at the bottom right of the dialog. A short drop-down opens. Choose Insert as text. Outlook reads the HTML and places the rendered version straight into the body at the cursor. You'll see the real layout, colors, fonts, and any images appear right there. If Outlook pauses for a second, that's normal when the template has embedded images. If a background color is missing or a section looks collapsed, that's Outlook using Word's rendering engine instead of a browser. Flex and Grid CSS often break here, so keep the template table-based if you built it yourself. If an image area looks empty, right-click it and choose Download Pictures. Outlook blocks external content by default, and your recipients will see the same until they allow it or your sending domain is approved. Once the layout looks right, click Send. The recipient gets the design inside the email itself, no attachment to open. If you use this same template all the time, save yourself the attach step. With the message still open, go to File, then Save As, choose Outlook Template, and name it something like Customer Welcome. It saves the whole message with the HTML already in the body, so next time you just open that file and send. If this got your template into Outlook, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments push this to other people searching for the same thing.